Hi there, Deacon John Wilson here, Education Enrichment Director for West Angeles Church. God bless you all today. I hope you're having a fine day. I know it's been a few days since I've been with you. This video is primarily for my 9th through 11th grade parents, but always for all of you who are interested in better education of our youth and on getting our youth ready for college and career. And that's what we believe in here at West Angeles Education Enrichment. Before we start, remember to click like and subscribe. So if you want to see more videos and improve our reach, we'd love for you to do that for us. It'd be a big help to us. And we want to get on other platforms that really help us and get other forums because we think you need to be informed as a parent. All right, enough of that. I think we need to defend Algebra 2 as an advanced math. I'm going to give a defense of it. I'll give you portions of my written statement I made. There was important to the UC Board of Regents. There was an important meeting yesterday where the UC Board of Regents was deciding, was willing to receive public comment, I should say, on whether there could be other math subjects like Intro to Data Science and Joe Bowler's U Cubed, I think it's called, courses, whether financial algebra and other courses could replace the advanced math requirement. And Algebra 2 is kind of a loner in there. There are other classes too, like integrated math, 2, 3. I guess that'd be integrated 2 if I think about it carefully. Could be a substitute for that. I'm trying to think if there are any others. I think those are the main two. And parents, I said earlier to you in a video, I don't want to see you replacing those courses. Students need to take Algebra 2, basically at that point, and I'm going to explain why here. And a video I do, a companion video of this, I'm going to explain why I don't want data science to be an advanced math and where it belongs. There's some pretty prestigious math individuals in this state that I know that would like to eliminate Algebra 2 as the only alternative, or would like to validate it if students don't do well. Validate needs to replace it to make it up with it, subjects that are not advanced math. And I'm sorry, I do not agree with that at all. Well, let me see if I can give you some of my thinking. Algebra 2 is an essential on-ramp to STEM careers. I think everyone, I don't know, I'm not sure if everybody agrees with that. Some people say in light of some rulings like AB 705 that it might be the students can go right to calculus from high school. I think that's absurd and ridiculous. Students need Algebra 2. It is an on-ramp to STEM. What do you mean by STEM, Deacon Wilson? Well, STEM, if in case you don't know, most of you do, is science, technology, engineering, and math careers. I don't include arts in there unless it's animation or something that requires computer science. Some types of graphics arts could be there, but I don't think painting and performing arts, I don't know how those got included in there. They should not be part of STEM. In fact, I don't like the A at all. I think it should be STEM, and yes, animation is a STEM career. So if you're going to get a kid to a STEM career, they need Algebra 2. They probably need more than that. Probably need another advanced math in their 4th year, like pre-calc or functions and stat or something trig, something substantial to get them ready to take calculus. Because even if you have a data science career, I said I wouldn't mention data science. I would do it next video. But if you're going to have a data science career, they're going to need to take calculus at some point. Algebra 2 is essential for STEM careers. It's the on-ramp. If you allow other courses in there to validate Algebra 2, you're deciding early for students, in their 2nd or 3rd year maybe even, that they're not going to do STEM. And how can you do that? You should delay as long as possible for students, which career path they'll take, hopefully till senior year, maybe even freshman year of college. You keep their choices open when they take Algebra 2. And I'm tired of this business that Black students and brown for that matter can't do Algebra 2. What's the matter with you? We're talking about Black students. There's a precedent in ancient history that Africans have been involved in math for years. And this belief that they can't do math because they're Black and they're poor. And I don't like that. I want to see us double our efforts to do the stuff we're doing. We're committed to helping students succeed. If you have a young person that you don't want to put in Algebra 2, they're in 10th grade and they're struggling and you don't know what to do next year, and you live in Southern California, get a hold of me. We have some neat in-person and online stuff that will really help. We're doing stuff this summer that will help through our partner CSU and the Summer Algebra Institute. Get a hold of me. Let's get those. If they're failing Algebra 2 now, get a hold of me. Come on, parents. Let's not let something like that get in the way of their future. And one of my associates, I shout out to the Save Math group, Kathy Jordan, got me thinking last night. Yeah, there's students that just can't do math and don't like school and all that. Let's start thinking about career skills for those students. Let's not just say they deserve college. Everybody shouldn't go to four-year college. I know that sounds weird, but I'm this little thing on my shirt. I'm the education and enrichment director, not just education. I stand for success of youth in life and career. Come on now. So Algebra 2 needs to be there as an on-ramp to STEM. Next, there are global minimum standards. What is considered a high school diploma or university readiness in math? Come on. That's why other countries are passing us up. You think in China they're not taking Algebra 2? They are. This is the country that only allows TikTok to teach math. They realize to pass the United States economically, strategically, and yes, militarily, it's going to be math and science that's going to do it. Math provides value to training the brain beyond that area of math, logical thinking and expressing abstract relations and concepts. Hence, these currently non-advanced math courses should not be an alternative to Algebra 2. You know, there's life concepts like, understanding how interest rates work with loans. How can you understand those without logarithms? Understanding house mortgages, business loans, and, let's not, how credit cards work. As a matter of fact, this summer, I'm going to come up with examples where students can see in our summer program how this stuff works. I'm going to start working on it now. We already do it in summer algebra. I'm going to do it even more. I'm going to put it on steroids. We're going to have whole lessons around applying Algebra 2 to life. Algebra 2 is essential. Algebra 1 even more. Let's not have watered down non-math. I always got to calm myself when I talk about watered down non-math to replace math. Come on. 90% of what's learned in high school anyway is not going to be directly used in jobs. It's life we're talking about, right? But it has indirect value in learning how you think. And why don't we just push to other subjects? Why do we have art class? I think we should have an art requirement. I'm kind of a barbarian. I'm glad I took art. Why don't we get rid of that? Why don't we have replacement for 2 years of foreign language? I'm not talking about sign language either, y'all. That's a great replacement. Why don't we just do some kind of other communication theory instead? Why do we have 4 years of English? Why? Why is that? I'm gonna talk more about this in a future video, the companion video. I'll do it because I think we ought to stop talking about A through G because I don't have faith in that anymore. The way our schools, districts sometimes allow themselves to feel sorry for students, want to whittle away at it and still get them in college. Look, I have no problem with districts saying, well, we don't have students that can do the A through G. Maybe I was too rough when I said it should be a graduation requirement because everybody shouldn't go to college. I know that sounds weird, but everybody can't go to college. Some people need to learn careers. Look, I got students that got high school and now they're out doing plumbing, plumbing and IT and other things and making loads of money without a college degree. Now, eventually they may go back, but they're able to raise a family with the income they're making just from using their hands. Maybe I need to go over what enrichment is again. I did a video on that not too long ago. So why should they learn to sing and dance? That's not needed in life. And you know what? Why do we even have sports? Sports doesn't do nothing. Actually, it does. It teaches students to work together and work with teammates. Teaches them in life they're winners and losers. I don't know. No, keep Algebra 2. Parents, make sure your 11th graders get Algebra 2. And once a student's taken Algebra 1, they can take Algebra 2. They can get geometry in the summer or get it even after Algebra, or the summer after Algebra 2, or they can get the summer between Algebra 1 and 2. Or they can take geometry and then take Algebra 2. If they're a 10th grader or 11th grader, they're 10th and they've taken geometry and Algebra 1, they need to take Algebra 2. Nothing else, parents. Come on, right to Algebra 2. Don't let those counselors trick you. Well, they failed algebra and they just barely passed. So we're going to give them something else, and no, they need to take Algebra 2. And that has the collateral effect of making them eligible for college. But even if not, it gets them ready for life. God bless you. I hope that's pretty clear to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Remember, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these videos. I really need to know whether it's worth it. And I have some of you that are friends of mine that are seeing this. We had sent to you special. Let me know if you have any comments about that. And we're friends. I want to stay friends, but I want to keep Algebra 2 as a requirement. God bless you. Bye-bye now.